Imagine automating your entire workflow without writing a single line of code. No more repetitive tasks, no more switching between apps. Just set it and forget it. Welcome to n8n, the open source automation tool that's quickly becoming a favorite for entrepreneurs, marketers, and developers around the world. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we'll explore exactly how n8 works, how to get started in minutes, and we'll even walk through your first simple automation. Let's dive in! What is n8n? n8n stands for notamation, and it's all about automating workflows through visual nodes. Think of it like this. N8, or N, is a bridge that connects your favorite apps and services like Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, Slack, and over 500 others, and lets them talk to each other automatically. Instead of jumping between tools and wasting time on manual tasks, you build automated workflows that handle everything for you, all from one easy-to-use interface. And here's the best part, it's open source. That means it's free, flexible, and you can even host it yourself if you want full control. Why use n8n instead of other tools? You might be thinking, wait, isn't this like Zapier or Make? Yes, but here's why n8n stands out. It's open source and self-hostable. There are no hard limits on workflows or tasks. It supports advanced logic, like conditions, loops, and branches. You get total control over your data. And it's often way more affordable. Whether you're running a startup, a YouTube channel, or a growing e-commerce store, n8n can save you hours every week. How n8n works. Simplified. Here's how it all comes together. You build workflows made of nodes. Each node performs a specific action, like sending an email, updating a spreadsheet, or posting to Slack. It all starts with a trigger, the event that kicks off your automation. It could be a new email, a webhook call, or even a set schedule. After the trigger, you add action nodes, the tasks you want n8 to perform. You just drag, drop, connect, and configure. That's it. No coding, no complexity, just clean visual automation. Examples of what you can do with n8n. Let's look at a few real-world examples to get your creative gears turning. A lead fills out a form on your website. n8n instantly adds them to your CRM, sends them a welcome email, and notifies your sales team on Slack. Boom, lead handled. Someone updates a row in your Google Sheet. n8 picks it up, runs calculations, and updates your Airtable database automatically. An order comes in on your Shopify store. n8n sends a thank you message, generates an invoice, and logs it into your finance system, hands-free. The possibilities are endless. If your apps support an API or webhook, you can automate it with n8n. Setting up n8n. Quick start. Let's walk through how to get started with n8n in just a few steps. Step 1. Sign up for the n8n cloud version at n8n.io. No installation needed. Or, if you want full control, you can self-host using Docker, Node.js, or their desktop app. Step 2. Once you're inside the dashboard, click New Workflow. Choose a trigger node, like a webhook or scheduled trigger. Step 3. Add your action nodes. Maybe you want to send an email, make an HTTP request, or update a database. Just search, drag, and drop. Step 4. Test each step, preview your data, and when it's working, hit Activate. Your automation is now live. Beginner tips to succeed with n8. Here are a few pro tips to help you get started faster. Use built-in templates to save time and learn faster. Watch the execution logs to see exactly how your workflow runs. Explore the community nodes. There are hundreds of extra integrations. Organize and label your workflows clearly. If you're self-hosting, don't forget to secure your instance. The learning curve is smooth, and the results are worth it. Who should use n8? n8n is ideal for Content creators managing multiple platforms. Check. Agencies automating client reporting. Developers and tech teams who want full customization. E-commerce sellers tracking orders and inventory. Small business owners who want to save time on routine tasks. If you're someone who hates repetitive work and loves efficiency, n8n is for you. Final thoughts. Is n8n worth it? So is n8n the real deal? If you want powerful automations without being locked in to expensive platforms. If you value freedom, flexibility, and scalability. And if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, then yes, n8n is absolutely worth exploring. Ready to try it out? Check the link in the description to sign up for free and start building your first automation today. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials, automation hacks, and workflow tips. Got questions about n8n? Drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.